I have a dream, loves.
Yeah.
You know, before I sleep last night,
No.
I read the status of Kuya Jake.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, about somebody, I think bashers comparing.
Yeah, I read it.
You know, my dream is
Oh. You comparing.
no. Kuya Jake and family, we are together in Bagnos.
Oh, but no.
Yeah, and then we're going to do caroling.
Is it?
Yeah,
No.
we are together for caroling. Nana. Oh, shout out Kuya Jake. Can we do caroling here in US?
Shit, he lives in fucking Houston or somewhere, babe.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, pati social media matagtagi ni pa no.